Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of how to create cosplay horns. So this installment is going to be painting our horns. So I'm not sure if I mentioned it in the last video. I don't want these to be black like my unseelie horns, but I do want them to be a fair bit darker than my seelie horns. So I have a range of colours laid out behind me. Got black and white, I've got some burnt umber, some raw umber, some burnt sienna, and a little bit of purple as well, just in case I want to send it more into the cooler tones. Now, I don't paint things a lot. I do makeup, I paint my nails occasionally, but I don't do a lot of painting. So this is going to be a bit of trial and error, just to see what works and what doesn't. But yeah, I'm not going to ramble on too much in this video. I'm mostly just going to get started and you can see what I do. I haven't fully decided what I want to do with the flower situation for this crown yet, because it is a more unseelie set of horns, and I don't know if I want to use all of the dark red and purple flowers like I did with my unseelie horns. So I'm actually thinking that I might create a couple of just elastic hairbands and attach flowers to them, make one that has all the pretty light coloured flowers for the seelie and one that's the dark coloured flowers for the unseelie, so that I can just put on a headband of flowers depending on the kind of look that I'm going for. But anyway, so I've got just like a plastic plate to be my palette, water, some paper towel and a few brushes, and I'm just gonna get started. Alright, so this is the base coat all completed. I'm just going to let this dry and then I'll come back to highlight and add some more texture. so I'm back to do my second layer, just add some highlights, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so I've done a couple of layers of sort of highlighting, stippling on some lighter shades, and I'm just going to let this dry for a while, and then I'm going to come back, have another look, and decide where to go from here. Hey guys, so this is the second part of the decorating of my horns. I'm going to make a couple of flower crowns, and I used this crown as my like sort of template, I guess. So just to get like my sizing for how long I needed my wire to be, and like the idea to attach my elastic from the wire. The flowers I'm using, however, are not attached with wire to the flower crown. So this was like my my template that I used to create my first one. So we can get rid of this one. I'm not actually going to throw it, I'm going to put it with my other flower crowns and horns. So this is the first one that I made just to see if the technique would work. You can see they're just attached with a little piece of felt. So you can spin the flowers and arrange them as tightly as you want, depending on the hairstyle that you're wearing. So this was my sort of sealy flower crown idea, and now we're going to make sort of an all-purpose flower crown and an unsealy flower crown. So I'm going to keep this here as my guide for how long I need my wire to be. So we're going to need pliers and snips, wire. This is the same wire that I used for the horns. Some elastic. You can use thicker elastic like the other flower crown had, or just double it up like this. I think it should be fine. Got a hot glue gun, some felt and scissors to cut the felt. So you'll need little strips to wrap around where the wire and elastic meets, and a different, like a whatever colour you're kind of going with. I've got a lot of purples in mine, so I went with just a light purple to make your little backing tabs. Some tissue paper cut into long strips. This will be being wrapped around the wire to make it look like greenery. I've just got some PVA glue and a little paintbrush to paint on to the tissue paper, and you'll need your flowers. Mine are off to the side because I don't have enough space. So that's how I make my flower crowns. It's pretty quick and easy, and you can customize with whatever flowers you want. You can add more flowers, less flowers, whatever you want to do. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.